Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing the Jackie Aina challenge, and I'm going to be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills times Jackie Aina palette. Now it took 4 days for it to arrive once I ordered mine online. I went to the ABH UK website. It was £46. I'm not going to go into great detail because everybody's seen these reviews by now. Everybody knows what it looks like by now. But I must admit it looks a lot better in person, a lot more vibrant, and I did test it out on my skin as well. I'll show some clips of that towards the end, and it did look really nice swatched on my skin. So I want to take part in the challenge, but I don't want, need or have Twitter. So in order to take part in the challenge, I've used pen and paper. I've put the notes or the names on these small pieces of paper and just cut it up, folded it up, put it in a hat, and we're going to do things the old-fashioned way. So the first name, let's shake that up again. First name that we pulled out of the hat is Wigglies. Okay. The second name, or color name I should say, is Ginger. I'll show that to you. That's Ginger. And the third name is Credit. Credit. So Wigglies, Ginger and Credit. Okay. Hi guys, so this is the end result of my makeup look. And I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills times Jackie Aina palette. Beautiful, beautiful palette, beautiful colors. I really love it. I don't regret buying this palette. Wigglies I've got on the lid. Ginger I've got in my mid-tone area, aka my transitioning area. And Credit I've got on the outer layer of my eye, or the corners of my eye. So if you like this look, leave a comment down below and let me know how you like the look. Have you got the palette? And if you're going to do the challenge as well. Really like the palette, the texture, the colors, the feel of it. I really like the fact that we get so much colors in one palette to play with, and I can't wait to do some different eye looks with this. It's so nice, especially the fact that we have the challenge. It's kind of inspiring people to come up with different things instead of doing the same look repeatedly. I'm a beginner when it comes to makeup, so the fact that I can even use this palette and have such a nice look at the end, it just goes to show how well thought out this palette was for beginners and for also everybody who's willing to use it actually at any level. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for watching my Jackie Aina challenge, and the challenge goes out to all of you guys, and I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.